Flying on an aircraft is already a luxury, but you ever wondered that if you could fly in business class? And if you don't have money, don't worry. I'm gonna get you some tricks that can allow you to travel in the business class for free of cost. Hi, my name is Priya and I'm an ex-Qatar Airways cabin crew. Through this channel, I share my journey of being a cabin crew and I share with you all things about cabin crew. In this video today, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can afford a free upgrade to business class from economy if you're traveling abroad on an international flight. I'm going to give you several examples and I'm going to explain you how this work in aviation industry. So let's get started. First, before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like my video if you like my content, and leave a comment down below what would you like to know from me. Furthermore, I will take my time and reply to you the very best I can. So let's get started. Let's take off. Many of the times that we travel internationally, it's usually a very long hours of flying. And wouldn't it be amazing if you could just stretch your legs and eat some five-star cuisine on board? Wouldn't it be amazing if you wouldn't be bored throughout the flight and you can sit on those luxurious seats that you pass by talking to the economy door? That is highly possible, and this is how you can do it. There are three ways you could upgrade yourself in any of your flights that you are flying internationally for free of cost. And this is the tips coming from a flight attendant, so you know these are foolproof. Tip number one, the first tip that you should always follow. I don't know how people reject this offer when we offer them on board, but a lot of times cabin crew comes to you and offer you to be the part of their loyalty program, and you think it's just because they will get some benefit from it. No, you're absolutely wrong. It is the part of our job to give you the loyalty program of the airline, but it's the most beneficial to you. There's hundreds of people who have already registered to be the loyalty members of the companies, but those are the places where you get extreme benefits. If you fly frequently on international flights, not only using one carrier but multiple carrier, for example, Qatar Airways is a part of One World program that consists of 7 different airlines that you fly with, and you get points to fly on those flights, be it a short sector or long sector, international flight, domestic flight, any flights. If you take those flights by booking them online, then you will definitely get the points on them and you can use them on your benefit, which includes flying in a business class for free. So yes, next time you get the opportunity to register yourself, or you can just go online and register yourself as a frequent flyer, and a lot of time they run the promotions where they upgrade you for free. And in this scenario, apart from all the people traveling on your flight, you will get the priority to be upgraded to business class for the free of cost. And register yourself in your frequent flyer program now. Now you must be thinking, I'm a flight attendant. Again, you have the same thing in your head that she must be selling her frequent flyer program and anything on board, but it's not true. I'm not flying with Qatar Airways anymore. I used to, but one thing I know for sure, that the frequent flyer program does work, and I myself as a cabin crew am registered to a frequent flyer program, and it does come with a lot of benefits. I will make a separate video about this, that how and what are the frequent flyer programs and how does it work. But for now, you just need to know that if you need a free upgrade, you need to register yourself as a frequent flyer to your to the company of the airline that is flying, or the alliance that they are in. That's very important. Second tip, or the second thing that you can do to get upgrade for free, the second tip is that you should dress professionally. If you're looking to get upgraded to the business class, you should always dress professionally, like semi casual clothes, so that they think that you are eligible for a flight upgrade. For example, in a lot of flights, when the seats are empty and they are willing to upgrade the passengers for the promotions of the flight, what they do is that they pick the people, and if they don't have frequent flyers in that flight, like there is nobody eligible for upgrade in that flight based on frequent flyer program, they pick the people from the general public, but they get to decide who they want to put in the business class. And the more professional you dress, the more rich you look, and the more the person you look that you can afford the business class, that's how they upgrade you. So they will see a potential customer that can invest in business class for future, will upgrade you. So if you can pretend to be rich for a day, or like dress moderately casual, like casual business attire, so you can go ahead and prepare yourself accordingly, like that, and you can try your shot and being upgraded to business class in that way. Tip number three. The tip number three is you being nice to and polite to your staff on board. Yes, even a cabin crew or a ground staff, depending on which company or which airline you're traveling with, can upgrade you to business class, and it's very easy for them to do that. They can just pick a customer and move them to business class. But depending on the airline, for example, Qatar Airways has strict policies that cabin crew cannot upgrade any passengers within the flight. Once your boarding pass is printed and ground staff had allotted you a seat, cabin crew is not eligible to change the seat from one cabin to another cabin. Yes, we can change your seat within economy, we can give you some extra attention on that, but we can never provide you the seat of business class. A lot of people, a lot of time comes to us and request us the upgrade, but it's impossible for us to do that. It costs us our job if we try to even do that. So yes, maybe the business class can upgrades can be made from the check-in counter. You can request them, you can even ask them on the last minute, and you can be extra nice to them to get the upgrade. And one more tip that I will give you here, that being rude and demanding to them will not work. Trust me, it will not work. It will work in opposite direction. So take my tip here, be nice to your crew. Some of the airlines like maybe Emirates and other airlines upgrade you to the business class where the cabin crew can work on it. So yeah, maybe in that situation you can get upgraded to the business class by cabin crew, but most of the times it's the ground staff or the check-in counter staff that is responsible for upgrading people to business class. So yes, go ahead with a big smile, with requesting tone, and be nice to them. So maybe you'll get your upgrade to the business class. Here it was all about how you can get upgraded for free to business class from economy, and now I will tell you the reason and the procedure that works behind this. Why do they give free upgrades? What is there for them, and why do they do this? And why can how can this work? Because basically the business class tickets are 10 times more expensive than economy. And how does people get lucky? Is it based on luck, or what is it? So yes, the procedure that works behind this is very simple, and it's just kind of a promotional activity that they do. A lot of times the companies overbook their flights. Yes, the airlines are supposed to book up to 120%. And the current rate of flying across this world, I have never seen a flight on Qatar Airways being empty. It's always full, 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 full. So yes, this happens a lot of time when a lot of people book in economy class, but very little number of people book in business class. There has been many cases that I have seen that the economy cabin is 100% or even 120% full, and business class is completely empty. So these kind of scenarios come and they have overbooking, and they have to adjust all the people so that nobody have to suffer, and everybody get their right to fly on the time that they want. And so they just put some people that they prioritize to the first class cabin or the business class cabin to combine all the people together in the aircraft and make their journey possible. Now in this scenario, how do they pick people to travel in business class? First things first, they have frequent flyer program, and there's different tiers of frequent flyer programs. Can be, for example, in Qatar Airways you have burgundy, the lowest level, then you have silver, then you have gold, and then you have platinum. Depending on how much you fly with this airline or any other 7 airlines that you fly with, you will get the few points or the points on this flying, and then these points can be considered as your ranking. Here you don't pay even through points, you just get upgraded for free. For free means literally free, and you will not understand how many times I have seen this happening. Every single flight that I have flown through, I was working as a business class cabin crew for Qatar Airways, and I have seen hundreds of people getting upgraded on every flight to be seated in the business class for free without paying with points, without paying with cash or card or anything. So they just pick you because they have empty seats, and they give you upgrade, and they just tell you congratulations, you have been upgraded to business class because you are the loyalty member. And if by chance the business class cabin is completely free and there's not enough burgundy, gold, silver, or platinum members on board and not enough frequent flyers, they look for common people who are not the part of loyalty program, who are dressed appropriately and can be potential customers to the business class in future. They put them in business class. And even after all this process of ground staff trying their best to put this promotional activity and pushing it forward, there's still few seats, 1 or 2 seats empty in business class. That's when the cabin crew comes in, and they can change their seats depending on which airline you're traveling to. Some airlines have strict policies like Qatar Airways which do not allow cabin crew to upgrade you to business class. then they will change you to business class if they wish to, if they like you, if they think that you're a nice person and you deserve to have a better experience. So, yes, this is how it goes. But by the end of the video, I would like to explain you that these things are based on occasion, based on your rankings, based on your appearance, and based on availability on the flight. It's very rare that everything in the business class is empty, but there's sometimes some seats available. For example, every flight that I've flown to, at least one or two or three or four gold card members or platinum members have moved and upgraded to business class since the economy cabin was very tight. So just for them to have a better experience, they upgrade them. So yes, go ahead today, check out the loyalty program. Next time you're traveling, make sure that you look upright and be nice to your crew. That's all you need to get a free upgrade, and best of luck on your next flight. I hope you have a safe trip, and I hope you enjoy your flight throughout. So thank you for watching, thank you for being here, thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe it now, and I will be coming with some more such interesting videos. Bye for now. Thank you.